Hello friends, in this video I will create the next application from scratch. But we need to know about the React and Next. What is React.js? React is a JavaScript library that is used for building user interfaces. Next.js. Next is a React framework that is used for server-side rendering and static web applications. For building Next application, you should install the node with latest node package manager in your computer. Now I need to select the directory, open it into the terminal. Now copy and paste this command into the terminal and hit enter. Write your application name and hit enter again. It will take a few minutes to install. I have created a beautiful Next application successfully. Now change the directory by using cd command and type the directory name where application is installed. Now start your server. Server started on localhost 3000. I'm gonna open this localhost on my browser. It will take a few seconds to load. Beautiful Next application is created successfully. Now open this project into the code editor. I will recommend you to install Visual Studio Code. Next application has a package.json file that is used for managing the project dependencies, scripts, and versions. Next uses the _app.js component to initialize pages. You can override it and control the page initialization. Index file is the homepage component. In the style folder, there are two CSS files. I don't want to use CSS in this project. In the next video, I will install the Tailwind CSS. Hope you guys like this video. Don't forget to subscribe this channel.